Do you want to go ahead and start making money online? Have you been struggling online and haven't found the right program for you? Just like on this page says, raining money in your pocket every day, work from anywhere, zero experience needed. My name is Adam Shelton, and you're in the right place at the right time if you're struggling to make any income at all, online or even offline. So right below this video, there's a link I want you to click, and you can go ahead and get started with Discover Heal. This is Discover Heal review, how to make money online really quickly and easy. So when you click on the link below, you'll go to a page and then you'll go ahead and sign up. So I wanted to show you this first of how you can get started. This can work anyway. And yes, it says, is it okay with you if we pay you daily, weekly, monthly? So this is the year that things starts to happen for you, because I know you've been, struggling, not really sure exactly what your next steps are. And that's why I want you to take advantage of this right now. So when you go ahead and do this, the next step I want you to do is check your email inbox before you can go ahead and start the training. You'll go to a dashboard that looks like this. And I want you to go to Heal Training VIP Experience. Then you'll go right to the VIP experience area. This is very, very important. Let me move this down. So what you want to go ahead and do is go through all these steps here, from intro all the way down to finish strong. The easiest way to make money online is having a program that helps you every step of the way. If you're a beginner, if you are an expert on online marketing, if you're a person that needs, guidance and steps, go through this VIP experience training. When you get to advisor, I want you to go ahead and schedule your call time with your coach or with your advisor. Watch this video right here. Don't forget, watch this video right here and then schedule your call time. What happens is just click there and you'll go to a calendar that will pretty much put you in a position where you can schedule your time. You can do it in November, you can do December, you can do it in January of 2021. So, and you just click on the date, click on Friday to say if I want to do January 1st, 2021, Friday, and I have the times here that I can go ahead and select. So I'll select 11 a.m., I can confirm it, and then what happens is it'll take me to another page that's telling me exactly what type of information I need to fill out. So I confirm, and this is the information you'll fill out. You'll fill out, how do you hear from us? How can we help you? How can we help you achieve online? What areas of business do you want to go ahead and do? All these are things that's going to help you build your business before you can start making an income online. So it's pretty much a survey questions of how we can really serve you the best. And check this out. What's the best number we can reach you? Because we're going to call you and make sure you're not lost in the system and you're not confused, anything like that. We want to make sure you are exactly where you need to be, answer any questions you have, because this is not a get rich quick scheme, anything like this. This is a real business helping real people just like you and people that need the support at this time of need. So I want to stress it enough to go ahead, click on the link below to get started, and we can help you right now. So I want you to go through all this training when you sign up, from intro all the way down to finish strong. As it says finish strong, because I want you to finish strong right now. So once again, we want you to go ahead and sign up. We want you to go ahead and sign up on the link below, Discover Heal Review, the easiest, the quickest way of getting started online. And it's so simple and easy to do, because I pretty much told you exactly what you need to do. Check your email inbox. So when you sign up, when you click on the link below and you go ahead, go to a page, you'll watch a video, and then you go ahead and sign up. Check your email inbox after you're done with the sign up process, the checkout process. Then I want you to go in, check your email inbox, check your spam as well, because it may go there, but I really believe it should go to your inbox. And then I want you to log into your dashboard. You'll get to a dashboard that looks just like this. Go to Training, VIP Experience, and then go through the process. I'm really telling you exactly how you need to be to succeed with Discover Heal. and online business. This will work if you're a beginner, intermediate, expert, different ages. If you're 18-year-old, if you're 65-year-old, it doesn't matter if you're a full-time worker, if you're part-time, or if you're a person that really just want to work the weekends. You can work this anywhere, anytime. Just like the information I was showing you, you can work this anywhere, anytime. So click on the link below so you can get started. I want you to get started. I want you to go ahead and have success. The easiest and the quickest way of you can have success online is to have a program that cares about you, and a program that's going to help you every step of the way, just like this video, all these steps, and scheduling your time. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget, once again, click on the link below. There's a link there. There's a link there to get started with Heal. Go ahead, have some fun. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Have a good day. Can't wait to see you on the next video.